GuruFocus app. The pros, the cons. GuruFocus is a platform designed for value investors, offering deep financial data and analysis. But does it live up to the hype? Starting with the pros first, comprehensive data. GuruFocus provides detailed financials, ratios, and historical performance for thousands of stocks, helping investors make informed decisions. Second, unique features. The app tracks group portfolios, showing what top investors are buying and selling, which can be a valuable guide for stock selection. Third, screening tools. Users can create custom screens based on valuation metrics, growth potential, and financial stability. Now, the cons. One drawback is complexity. The app's vast amount of data can overwhelm beginners, making it more suitable for experienced investors. Another limitation is cost. Full access to premium features requires a subscription, which may be pricey for casual investors. The surprising truth? GuruFocus shines for serious value investors, but beginners may find it intimidating at first. In conclusion, the pros: deep financial data, guru tracking, and powerful screening tools make GuruFocus ideal for dedicated stock analysts. The cons: complexity and subscription cost are important considerations before diving in.